Okay. So as Christy has just presented, an example of a strong acid would be a battery. An example of a weak acid would be orange juice. An example of, well, neutral would be, of course, salt water, but then a weak base would be soap. And a strong base would be Clorox or bleach, same thing. So with me I have 3 items. I have my baking soda, which is my base. I have my vinegar, which is my acid, and I have cabbage juice, which is going to be our indicator. So we are going to have our acid in here. Oh, too much. Yeah, and according to our indicator, it is an acid, obviously, it's pink. Then we have our baking soda. Which will turn blue with our cabbage juice. So we have our acid and base. There we go. And our cabbage juice is purple, obviously. Cabbage juice, purple. Okay. So to show how an acid and a base neutralize to make salt water, we'll combine them into our mix cup here, and it should turn purple because the cabbage juice is purple. So when you mix it, it should go back to its purple state. So it looks pretty purple. So that basically is a neutralizing reaction.
Oh. Molarity. What is molarity? Well, it's moles of solute over liters of solvent. And a solute dissolves inside a solvent, and a solvent dissolves inside a solute. And H2O, or water, is the most common solvent there is. ppm.
Wait, what's ppm?
You don't know? Well, ppm is parts per million.
Oh.
Grams of solute over grams of solvent times a million. ppm, million. And then ppm and molarity are ways of measuring concentration. Factories that produce our iPods, cell phones, electronic devices, right? They produce this, mercury and lead, in which goes up to our atmosphere, into the clouds, which is absorbed, then comes down at acid rain, into the forest, and look, they're all sad. You know why? Because of this. These are healthy forest leaves. Look at them. Look at them. Okay. And now see the after, in which we put in a acidic environment. Isn't it sad? I think it's sad. Pretty sad. And that's what concludes my chart with acid rain and how it affects our forest.
So why does it matter if our forests are dying?
Well, if you ask me, this is a tree, right?
Right.
Okay, and trees give off oxygen to us,
Mm-hmm.
to all our environment. So we need healthy oxygen to be able to survive.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what can we do to stop acid rain?
Well, there's not really much to do. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You heard the carpooling, the riding your bicycle, jogging, running, walking. You can do that. You know, little things lead to big impacts. So